and finance for bankers. Profits and loss appropriation account at the debit side includes partner's salary account, interest on loan account, commission to partner's account. Replacement of defective part of machinery is revenue expenditure. Daily wages paid for erection or installing of machinery is capital expenditure. Excess of sale price of machinery over its WD value but less than cost price is treated as revenue receipt. Pricing issue of goods to match current material cost is most desirable. The sentence which speak about illegal association is the unregistered association of 50 persons to do non-banking business. Mr. Jetmalny commenced his business on 1st April 2006 with capital of rupees 1 lakh. He did good business during the year and earned handsome profit. At the end of 31st March 2007, his financial position was fixed assets rupees 1,20,000 and bank balance rupees 33,000 and creditors rupees 17,000. What was his net profit for the year 2005-2006? The answer is 36,000. If the partnership is following the fixed capital account method, salary payable to a partner is credited to the partner's current account. Drawings made by partners are never entered in the profit and loss appropriation account. The capital account of a partner is required to be opened in both the fixed capital account method and fluctuating capital account method. Machinery worth WDV 1000 sold for 1200 is entered in sales register. Rectification is debit sales 1200, credit machinery 1000 and credit P&L account 200. Mr. Q and Mr. R were partners of a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They take S into partnership. It was agreed the S will pay rupees 1 lakh as his share of goodwill which will be retained in business and also bring 3 lakh as capital for 1/4 share in the future profits. The book value of the stock was 41,000 but was to be revoked at rupees 50,000. Give some correct entries in this transaction. Debit cash and credit goodwill for rupees 1 lakh. Debit cash and credit S capital for 3 lakhs. Debit stock and credit profit and loss adjustment account by 9,000. In lease, the user of the asset doesn't retain it, while in HP hire purchase he does. In lease, the user doesn't claim depreciation, while he does in HP hire purchase. Payment of rentals is on installment basis in both lease and hire purchase. Income for the year is I. Outstanding income for the previous year is equal to ID. Outstanding income of current year is equal to IDI. Then receipts for the year is I equal to IDI plus ID. In LIFO method of inventory valuation, issue of stocks to products is at latest price. Due to heavy flooding, a truck carrying consignment goods sinks. This is called abnormal loss. Opening balance of asset is equal to OI. Closing balance of asset equal to OC. Depreciation is equal to D. Then addition to the asset during the year is equal to OC plus D equal to OI. If assets increase and liabilities do not, the capital will increase. If assets increase and liabilities also increase by some same sum, the capital will remain same. A reduction in the amount of assets will amount to equivalent reduction in the net worth. There is no difference in appearance between trade and accommodation bill. A bill of exchange must be accepted. Accommodation bill is for an imaginary transaction. Sales return of amount 1000 from Vijay was wrongly entered in purchase book. The rectification is debit sales returned by 1000 and credit purchase by 1000. Amount raised through rights issue is not a deferred revenue expenditure. For increase in the value of assets, debit asset account and credit revaluation account. For decrease in the value of liabilities, debit liabilities account and credit revaluation account. For decrease in the value of assets, debit revaluation account and credit assets account. Freight expenses for moving new machinery to factory is capital expenditure. Trial balances ensures arithmetical accuracy. Trial balance errors are not located, then the difference is sent to the suspense account. Trial balance base for final accounts. A and B are two partners in a firm sharing profits and losses as 2:1. They admitted C as a partner with 25% share in the profits of the firm. Hence, the new profit sharing ratio and the admission of C would be 20:10:10. Goods sold on credit not recorded in books will not affect trial balance. Bank reconciliation statement shows causes of disagreement between cash book and passbook. Total finance income equal to total lease rent cost of asset plus residual value. In sum of digit methods for 5 years, which of the following is the first year's allocation ratio? 5/15. Goods lost in transit is nominal loss. Any facts, observation or occurrences are called data. Receipts and payment statements shows both capital and revenue receipts during a year. Under written down value method of depreciation, the WDV of the asset is always greater than 0. Suspense account is not used before trial balance. P&L account of non-trading organization is called as income and expenditure account because by object of their association they are non-profit making bodies. Noting charges are paid to notary public for recovering dishonor. Reconciliation of overcasting on receipt side of cash book decreases the balance in the cash book. If the net worth of the business is ₹500, fixed assets are 500, current assets are ₹300, investments ₹300, current liabilities ₹0. What is the amount of claim to outsiders? ₹600. The average net profit expected are 1,08,000 per annum before charging remuneration of 18,000 to partner. The capital employed in the business is ₹6 lakh. The rate of return expected on capital employed of a firm is 10%. What is the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profits? Answer ₹60,000. In FIFO method of inventory valuation, closing stock is at latest price and issue of stocks to production is at earliest price. Cost of goods sold is opening stock plus purchases closing stock. The statement which speaks about liability of an entity is the liabilities consist of claims of the owners and outsiders. Direct deposit by a customer in the bank shows a higher passbook balance than cash book. LIFO is not a preferred method as per accounting standards. Lesser and higher can claim depreciation in leasing and hire purchase. Expense to be classified as revenue of capital depends on kind of expense, duration of the benefit of the expenditure, effect on revenue, earning capacity. The firm sells goods on credit for ₹50,000. The cost of the goods sold is ₹30,000. Effect of the transaction is that the capital of the firm increases by 20,000. Real accounts always have debit balances. Depreciation is an expense charged to the P&L account. Assets that are depreciated are tangible assets. Depreciation is like an insurance expense. Cash drawn from bank is not a part of bank reconciliation process. Interest on overdraft, dishonor of check deposited but not collected are a part of bank reconciliation process. If a trader enjoys an overdraft facility, then his passbook will show debit balance. In the books of ABC Enterprises, a partnership firm, when Mr. C. Premises account rupees 52,000 and creditors account rupees 8,000 were shown, while at debit side of revaluation account, reserve for doubtful debts account rupees 15,000, A's capital rupees 20,000, B's capital rupees 20,000 and C's capital rupees 20,000 were shown. Accountant has interpreted the revaluation account as follows. Give some interpretations. Stock is revalued upwardly by rupees 25,000. Premises are revised upwardly by 52,000. A provision on debtors of rupees 15,000 is made for doubtful debts. In operating lease, the period is less than the useful life of the asset. Profit and loss account, debit balance, application of funds. Net worth less reserves and surplus, capital. Balance sheet, financial position.